Mathematics is an essential subject for our day to day life, be it school, home, market, playground, anything. We all need the basic knowledge of mathematics. A good knowledge of mathematics to score good marks in schools, and some basic concepts of mathematics to make our life simple in various fields. So let's discuss the evolution of mathematics. If we look at the present scenario, mathematics is a vast subject with various topics. And if we look back in the long ago, we can see that mathematics wasn't the same like it is today. Okay, if I ask you about the most basic thing of mathematics, what's come to your mind? Definitely, number system, right? The discovery of number system is still a mystery. Some say that it is God himself that created the number system. Some says the Egyptians invented the first gift-headed number system, and the Greek followed by mapping their counting numbers into lunar and Doric alphabets. If we look in the ancient people, we can see that they didn't need the vast concept of mathematics. They just needed some basic tools to use to make their day to day life simple and easy, like counting numbers. In trading, in many things, and from them to now, mathematics has improved a lot thanks to the great minds who invested their knowledge, their research, their time to make mathematics touch the height it is now today. In this video, we can't discuss about every aspect of the evolution of mathematics. So let's discuss about some great discoveries in history of mathematics. And the first one will be trigonometry. Though trigonometry goes back to the Greek period, the character of the subject started to resemble modern form only after the time of Aryabhatta. From here, it went to Europe through the Arabs and went into several modifications to reach its present form. Then, the second mathematical evolution will be quadratic formula. The history of the quadratic formula can be traced all the way back to the ancient Egyptians. The theory is that the Egyptians knew how to calculate the area of different shapes but not how to calculate the length of the sides of a given shape. For example, the wall size needed to create a given floor plan. To solve the practical problem by around 1500 BC, Egyptian mathematicians had created a table for the area and side lengths of different shapes. This table could be used, for example, to determine the size of a hayloft needed to store a certain amount of hay. Then the third mathematical evolution would be Euler's identity. As a famous mathematical equation, Euler's identity is often referred to as a mathematical jewel. Euler's identity has a famous mathematical equation which is e to the power I pi plus 1 is equals to 0, where e is Euler's number approximately equal to 2.71828. I is the imaginary number where I square is equals to minus 1 and pi is the ratio of circle's circumference to the circle's diameter approximately equal to 3.14. Then we will talk about the third discovery in the history of mathematics. So, now third big discovery in the history of mathematics, which is Fibonacci numbers. Fibonacci numbers are also one of the most amazing discoveries of mathematics. The Fibonacci sequence is one of the most famous formulas in mathematics. Each number in the sequence is the sum of two numbers that precede it. So sequence goes 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on. The mathematical equation describing it is xn plus 2 is equals to xn plus 1 plus. Then the math discoveries of modern computers, which is binary numbers, will be the evolutionary discoveries in the history of mathematics. Today's computers and digital devices are based on binary numbers. Binary numbers are also the greatest math discoveries. The formation of the binary number system essentially laid the groundwork for digital circuitry computers and the field of computer science. And the last discovery, important discovery, we are gonna to discuss about the Euclid's element. And there are many great discoveries in mathematics which we can't cover in this video. So this one will be the last one. Euclidean geometry is one of the greatest discoveries in mathematics. No list of mathematical achievements would be complete without the inclusion of the most seminal and influential mathematical work to come out of Greek antiquity. So, thank you for watching the video. To like and share the video and subscribe to Illumination View.